Hello, this is the site built by Pod 5. We have also made it responsive. That is the hamburger icon shows up when when the screen is small. For mobile devices, we
So this
have
is
this
the
hamburger
navigation
icon.
bar, and
Yeah.
we have kept it interactive and put a hamburger. Uh, so when the site uh, is displayed on a smaller display, the hamburger appears, and when we display it on the desktop site, it becomes interactive as buttons. Just you can show the buttons. And also the buttons when the site is in desktop mode. Yes, and we have also put the light mode.
Okay. Also, we have added a light mode. We have changed the CSS using DOM manipulation. We have achieved this using JavaScript. Yeah, site looks pretty good even in the light mode. This is how the light mode works. We have changed the background, the colors in background. Yeah, this is a scroll bar. We have edited the WebKit toolkits, and that's how we achieved this scroll bar. Cool. Now coming to the code panel. This is the code pen. We were going to add many code pens even in the other sections, but yeah, because of the time limit, we could add only one. And we were going to make it interactive, like all these tabs were supposed to be working, but right now only this one is working. This is the about section where we can put about the Webwiz, but yeah, right now this has the Python script. Okay, then coming to the project section.
Yeah. In the cards, we have used tilt and the glass effect. For the tilt effect, we have used the CDN library, and for the we have natively made that glass effect. When you hover over, yeah, when we hover over the cards, it will tilt and so the like interact, and the content is for the projects that Webis has made in past. Yeah. Yeah. In the whole site we have tried to make the site responsive, but like for the time constraint it may happen that some of the components might not work,
Yeah,
but
so in
yeah,
the
we have
project
added
section is
media queries and all.
responsive. Now coming to the art teams.
Yeah, coming to the team section, here we have added our different kind of teams that Webwiz has. For this, we have animation that is card shift, and we have like continued our theme of like terminals and code pens, and yeah, this is it. Yeah.
Okay. After that, coming to meet the team.
So in this team member section, we have applied card hover and keyframe spin, and also the text display on hover
Mm.
and meet the team button.
Mm. For the to like meet the rest of the team, we can click on the meet the team button, and it will redirect to the actual Webwiz site where we might have made that card ourselves also, but obviously for the time constraint we didn't.
We wanted to make a checkbox to show all the team members, but we didn't get the time to.
Mm. Tick, yeah.
Okay, as we see at the bottom right corner, we have chat box, which on click opens a pop-up chat menu where we type the message. Then we see on the left side we have a side panel showing links to social media and YouTube, and then at the bottom we have the
Footer.
footer,
Yeah.
which include our team members.
The side panel social links are clickable, and the footer is there with our name, pod members name. Uh, yes, yeah. We have kept the social links in the side panel, cause like the user will see it in first and not in footer, uh, and might be that we gain more followers. Yeah, Srishti, can you explain that timeline thing we couldn't add?
Okay,
And the
we
grid.
have used we have actually built this site on cyberpunk theme, and the theme is inspired by GitHub. Now talking about the features which we actually wanted to implement but couldn't because of time limits is first thing the scroll bar. This neuron we actually were looking forward to add this scroll bar type, uh, this transition at the left side of our site, but instead of that we just added one scroll bar. And also on GitHub side, as you can see, this typing effect and the code pens, we were actually going to add many of those code pens and typing effects. All the headings and the paragraphs, they were supposed to be have the typing transition, but that wasn't possible. But yeah, here after the project section, we were going to add many of the code pens. Since it's a technical club site, that's what we did to make it look like more nerdish and techy. Yeah. And so this type and this glass and tilt effect, we could achieve that, but the typing and this code pen. Okay, now at the end, after the meet the team section, instead of this part, we were going to add an image consisting of a picture of all the team members. Where after clicking on each face, it will pop up a new div. The div which shows the information about that particular member. So basically, an image where if on clicking on the face, it will pop up a new div. For that we were going to use area and map, but yeah, instead of that we just made this, but that was the idea. Yeah, so this is I think that's it. Thank you.